Welcome everybody to our channel. This is Cloyd Family Farms. My name is Brayden. This is our first YouTube video. So I videoed some stuff yesterday and didn't have a microphone, nothing like that. So you couldn't hear a word we said. But we got the rototiller all ready to go for the garden. We changed the oil in it, aired up the tires, had to clean the carburetor a couple times, replaced the gas, got it going. So got a 60 by 60 garden-ish kind of all tilled up, so we got a lot of raking to do, but it's just kind of an introduction again. So my name is Brayden. I'll let you introduce yourself. So say your name and how old you are. Oh, my name is Brayden and I am 29 years old.
Almost 30.
Almost 30. I'll be 30 next week. It's my birthday. That's crazy. All right, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Cloyd and I am 6.
Okay.
Almost 6 and a half.
Almost 6 and a half.
You are 6 and a half. Hi, my name is Ruthie and I am 7 years old.
7 years old. So we got 5 kids. Me and my wife do. We need to show them the chickens and all our animals, and then we'll go out in the wind because it's really windy and show them the garden. But let's look at the chickens.
These are our little chicks. They're kind of grown up now.
Yep. So we got three.
This one's mine and the black one's.
We got 3 chicks in here that we bought at Atwood's a few weeks ago. So they're just about fully feathered out and are ready to go outside into a little chicken tractor we got. But we'll probably make another video about getting them ready, getting the chicken tractor ready for the little chicks.
Chickens.
So
Let's go
meet your brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
And show them burger.
And show them the dogs and the kittens and all that. All right. Got the oldest one in the family. What's your name?
Riley, and I am 8 years old.
8 years old. When's your birthday?
June 30th.
June 30th. What is your favorite book to read?
You are an amazing girl.
Is that a bunch of books? Cool.
I think 4 books.
Yeah.
One.
Cool. What's your name?
Ranger.
Ranger. And you're 3. All right. Youngest kiddo. This is Rory. Rory James. You say hi. Hi. He is 2 years old, or not 2 years old. He's almost 2. He'll be 2 in April. Last but not least, the lady that holds the family together. Introduce yourself.
I'm Harley, or Mom. What else am I supposed to say?
How old you are?
I'm 29,
29.
and I like to go on walks in the sunshine.
Tighten that down. Alright, we got the tires aired up. We got the oil changed. Riley, pull that fuel cap. See if there's any fuel in there. Yeah.
Be careful.
Fuel in there.
There's just a lot.
Not very much.
We're gonna go ahead and get the garden tilled up today, and
Garden what?
that way it's ready. Because we gotta plant carrots.
Where do we take this thing out?
What day did I say we were planting carrots? I think that's March 16th, which is
Take this out.
two weeks, I think.
How do we take this out?
So we are renting this house right now. We bought an 80-acre farm southwest of Woodward last summer.
Yep. We used to live in Weatherford, but we moved.
Yep, we moved back to Woodward, back home
And this is our metal.
in March, April of last year, so almost a year. So we're renting this place for now. We're getting some debt paid off, and then we're gonna start saving for a down payment to build a house. So, all right, here we go. Well, still cool. Yeah, still cool. That lasted every bit of 10.
Didn't last very long.
So I think I need to clean the carburetor because there's something going on with it. So, trying to determine whether I want to push it all the way back to the house or just take the carb off here. Alright, so that's the garden we tilled up. It is it'll fit it'll fit four 30 by 30 garden with a little walkway in the middle. So got 4 chickens there that are running. A little chicken tractor across the garden to fertilize it a little bit. So we're gonna plant sweet corn and watermelon. We'll have tomatoes, green beans, carrots, squash and zucchini. Have some broccoli planted. We'll see if we can get that in time. It's already starting to warm up quite a bit, so maybe it'll stay cool enough for us to get a little bit of broccoli. But that's kind of the plan right now. We got this tilled up on Saturday. That was all the video. I'll put a little bit of that in here. just showing you how we did that. And the kids helped, did some raking. Still got a lot of raking to do. But, so hopefully it'll be abundant and we can grow some food. All right, kiddos are getting hungry. Rory's already eaten some chicken nuggets. We got some raking done. That's going to take quite a while, so I think I'll just work on it every so often and get it all cleared out. A couple more deals of rototilling, but I think we're going to go ahead and close the video out, eat some dinner.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, press like, subscribe, or share. Stay tough.
Y'all stay tough.